pit them first, and let's make some Amaretto cherries. Hello guys, welcome back to East West Picayune. It's been a while, so today I decided to make some Amaretto cherries. So I have bought some cherries just before the end of the season. Anyhow, I'm gonna try to pit them first, and let's make some Amaretto cherries. First, we're gonna remove the stem of each cherry. So basically just pull them off. Okay. Easy. Start pitting the cherries. I got this handy dandy thing. So you basically put the cherry in there. Press. Voila. There it goes. Two. 3. Now we have 2 cups of sugar, some water, about a cup, and then we're gonna melt the sugar, get it to a simmer. Here you can see these are the pitted cherries. So what I have researched is you need high sugar content for this cherry to marinate in. Now of course I'm gonna use this for cakes, or you can use it also for your liquor. So it says once it's boiled we can put our cherries in. Put the cherries into my syrup, and then we're gonna let it cook for about a minute. We'll set the timer, so that's about a minute. Okay, so now we're gonna turn the heat off and let it cool. So now it's cool, touch. Okay, now I have about 1.5 cup of amaretto liqueur. I'm gonna pour it in there, and I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna start putting them in my mason jar. Now you see this is a spaghetti sauce, that's the brand, and I'm not promoting for them, but if you buy these are good jars to have because they are really mason jars. Here we go, we're gonna put them in the jar. So I'm gonna put them in this jar, and I'll see you in a while, okay? So now I divided the cherries in a 2 jar and put all the juices or the syrup in this jar. And what I read on the internet is you're supposed to top it. If there's space up there, you need to top it with the liquor. So guess what? It's gonna be more amaretto on top. Okay. Now of course we're not freezing this, so it's okay to top it all the way there. And then you either leave it in the refrigerator or in the cupboard, it says, but I'm gonna put mine in the refrigerator and wait for 6 weeks for it to do its magic. All right, so we got Amaretto cherries.